Welcome to Aura and You, my cosmic friends. Today, we're diving into February's powerful birthstones, Amethyst and Bloodstone. Whether you're looking for emotional healing or strength, these crystals have a lot to offer. Stick around to discover which one resonates with you this February. But before we dive in, let's talk about why these stones are so significant. For centuries, birthstones have been linked to astrology, representing the alignment of the stars at the time of our birth. They're believed to bring balance, enhance positive qualities, and offer protection, making them special companions in our lives. Each stone carries its own unique vibration, which is why many people wear or keep them close for guidance and support. This ancient tradition continues to help us align with our true selves today. So, let's explore February's birthstones, Amethyst and Bloodstone, and see why these gems are so special. Amethyst is often seen as the star of February's birthstones. This beautiful purple gem is known not just for its stunning color, but also for its calming energy and deep spiritual significance. For those born in February, amethyst represents peace, clarity, and spiritual growth. Its color ranges from soft lavender to deep violet, with a mesmerizing transparency that catches the light. The richest amethysts have a bold, even purple hue, formed by natural iron and radiation, making each stone unique. Historically, amethyst has been celebrated for its protective and calming qualities. The name comes from the Greek word amethystos, meaning not intoxicated, as the ancient Greeks believed it protected from drunkenness and promoted clear thinking. In medieval Europe, soldiers wore amethyst amulets for protection in battle. Even today, Anglican bishops wear amethyst rings to symbolize clarity and wisdom. But amethyst isn't just a pretty stone. It holds a soothing, peaceful energy. It's known for calming the mind, reducing stress, and promoting emotional stability, making it ideal for emotional healing. Amethyst can also help with physical healing, particularly for issues related to the mind, like headaches or insomnia. Many people place it near their head at night for better sleep and deeper rest. Metaphysically, amethyst is connected to the crown chakra, making it a powerful tool for spiritual growth and clarity. How to use amethyst with intention. You can carry amethyst as a talisman for confidence and emotional balance. Hold it during meditation. Repeat this affirmation: I am calm, clear, and connected to my higher self, and let it guide you to peace. Place it under your pillow for better sleep, or wear it to stay grounded throughout the day. It's also a great tool for mental clarity, helping you stay focused and calm in stressful situations. Now let's talk about the second February birthstone, Bloodstone. With its deep green color and striking red spots, Bloodstone is as unique as it is powerful. Known also as heliotrope, Bloodstone has been a symbol of strength and courage for centuries. The red spots, caused by iron oxide, resemble drops of blood, which gives the stone its name and adds to its dramatic, earthly beauty. Bloodstone was revered by ancient civilizations for its protective properties. In medieval times, it was believed to purify blood and heal wounds. Some even believed it was formed from drops of Christ's blood, linking it to the themes of courage, sacrifice, and renewal. Often called the Stone of Courage, Bloodstone is known for bringing strength, vitality, and protection. It's a grounding stone that helps calm the mind and encourage emotional stability, making it perfect for those who need a boost during challenging times. Bloodstone is also associated with vitality and physical renewal. It's thought to enhance energy, support the immune system, and aid in detoxification. How to use Bloodstone with intention. Hold Bloodstone in your hand during meditation while focusing on your breath, and set your intention for strength and resilience. You can also repeat the affirmation: I am strong, resilient, and full of vitality. Keep Bloodstone on your desk to create a focused environment, or wear it to carry its energy with you throughout the day. Its grounding properties can help you stay calm and focused, even in chaotic situations. Now, you might be wondering, which crystal is right for you? If you're seeking emotional healing, mental clarity, or relief from stress and insomnia, amethyst is the stone for you. Its calming energy helps quiet the mind, making it perfect for meditation or simply creating a peaceful atmosphere. If you're looking for strength, resilience, and vitality, Bloodstone might be the better choice. It's great for boosting physical energy, helping you overcome obstacles, and staying grounded during difficult times. But what if you need both? It's possible to combine Amethyst and Bloodstone for a powerful balance. While Amethyst brings peace and emotional healing, Bloodstone adds strength and courage. This dynamic duo can support both your mental and physical well-being. So, which crystal speaks to you? Whether it's Amethyst, Bloodstone, or both, these stones are here to guide you toward balance and healing. Let them remind you that, no matter what life brings, you have the strength and clarity within you. Have you connected with Amethyst or Bloodstone before? Let us know in the comments which crystal resonates with you this February. If you enjoyed learning about these beautiful birthstones, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crystal insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Aura and You.